This illustration deals with indoor installations in accordance with 110.31b. Now, notice the individual qualified worker is working inside and she's close to a transformer that has high voltage terminals, in other words, over 1,000 volts. The qualified worker is working behind a fence in a distribution area with a metal enclosed switchgear, and connections are also present. So we have a transformer, switchgear, everything inside this gate. And again, you see, since it's over 1,000 volts, to the left of the power lines coming in, we have the ANSI Z535, which would be .4 standard, and its warnings have danger, high voltage, keep out there by the fence. See? Now, conduit is being installed in a ditch type area, and she's up close to the transformer, so since it's high voltage, she should be at least 10 feet from it, and she's a qualified person knowing that she has to keep a certain distance from those energized parts, or she would have to have her PPE on to gain a closer access to those high voltage energized terminals. But since she's behind a fence, then she's isolated in there working, and the fenced in area would isolate her where this high voltage transformer switchgear is all in maybe a combination state. So this illustration deals with indoor installations where a fence completely isolates the area where this worker is working and isolates the energized components that we have reviewed previously. But this illustration deals with indoor installations in accordance with 110.31b.